My name is Ari Zemer, and the current event that I chose is titled Apple's Innovative Conundrum. I will be applying this to Chapter 9 in the textbook. Chapter 9 is titled Value Change Management, Functional Strategies for Competitive Advantage. Chapter 9 covers four main topics: improvement of responsiveness between the company and the customer, improvement of quality of the product, improvement of efficiency of the process, and finally, the point that we will be focusing on, improvement of product innovation. Apple has been lacking on product innovation lately. Unlike diverse technology companies that sell everything from data software to cloud servers, Apple makes 91% of its revenue from just four main products. These four products are the iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, and the iPod. I would also assume that the Apple Watch has been added to this list recently. The fact that Apple has only 4 or 5 main products is what forces them to continuously need groundbreaking technology just to stay relevant in their own field. While Apple was once the leading company, in the last 4 years, its competitors have caught up, making products that are just as good, if not better, than Apple's products. As the products reach a plateau, it becomes more difficult to make a better product one after the other. Apple is running out of innovative ideas and falling behind its competitors. The book offers 3 main solutions to this issue. The first is to design with customers' needs in mind. You would have to involve customers in development. At first I thought that Apple was doing a good job at this, but then I took a closer look and compared them to their competitor Samsung. Samsung has swipe texting, personalized home pages, NFC close-range photo sharing, facial recognition login pages, and Smart Stay eye contact. These details take into account the user's everyday activities and make it a little bit easier for them. If Apple were to involve their customers in development, they would be able to not only pick up on these details, but to go ahead of Samsung and create new ideas. The second option is to create a stage-gate development process. This approach forces managers to choose among competing projects. I believe that this is not occurring within Apple right now, as they recently developed the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 10 at the same time. I can assume that internally there are some issues deciding on which project would be focused on. The third option is to develop cross-functional teams. These teams are composed of individuals from different functioning departments. In this case, I believe that Apple is doing this well, as they have been successful year after year. Some things that Apple could implement within their company are to diversify their IBM style. This is unlikely though. The second option would to be striving towards a market share lead by opening their products up to use by other companies, similar to what Microsoft does. This is quite unlikely, as this goes against what Apple has stood for since the 1980s. The third and most likely option is to shake up the world. This is very risky. It depends on continuing to be innovative year after year and to not only pass up your competitors, but to pass up your own products year after year. They did this with the Apple Watch and the iPhone 10, and they could do this by going on to create an iTV. I believe that Apple has the power to rise up and introduce more innovative products every year, leading it to success for many years to come. Thank you.